So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown all the way up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the arms down, take the legs nice and wide, toes pointing forwards, and we'll bring that right arm up. Inhale, exhale over to the left. And come back to the middle. Now inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, over. Coming back to center. Inhale and exhale. And coming back, and we'll swap the arms over. Inhale, lengthen first, and exhale to the side. Come back to center. Inhale and exhale. And center. And one more. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. Bring the arm down. We're coming to a forward bend, so hands on the hips. Inhale. Exhale, coming forwards, trying to keep the back flat if we can, parallel to the ground. And we're coming back up. Inhale, exhale forwards. Coming back to center. And one more. Inhale, exhale forwards, parallel to the ground or wherever you get to. And then coming on up. Then we'll add a back bend, so palms into the lower back, squeeze the elbows together, looking up to the sky, and then coming forwards into that halfway forward bend. And coming back to center. So again, inhale, exhale, look up, inhale, and exhale, coming forwards. And coming back to center. So one more. Inhale, exhale, looking up to the sky. Inhale there, exhale, coming forward, so either stop halfway or slide the hands down the legs towards the feet. And then we'll bend the knees and carefully roll on up through the spine. Now we're going to move on to a balance and working on the lower joints. So working into that left hip to start with. So squeeze the belly button in, finding your focus point. So rotate one way and then the other. So you can always have the arms out if that's better for your balance. And working on the knee joint. So fingertips to the kneecap, just rotating. And then go the other way. And then on to the ankle. So if you can, holding on to the knee and rotating the ankle, or maybe keeping the leg low or holding under the thigh. And then we'll rotate the other way. And bring that leg down. So on to the right side. So rotate into that hip. Remember, nothing should hurt, so just find that comfortable range. And then the other way. Fingertips to the kneecap, rotate into the knee joint. And the other way. And then holding the knee and rotating the ankle joint. And the other way. And bringing that leg down. Okay, so standing pose, high lunge, left foot forward, right foot back. So both sets of toes facing forwards. hips forwards, shoulders above the hips. So the front knee's bent, back leg straight, with the back heel up. And just hold in there. Now bring that back leg forwards, and we'll do the other side. So right foot forward, left foot back. And make sure the back heel is up, the front knee is bent. Keep the weight central, so shoulders above the hips, not leaning forwards. Just try and sink down into the pose. And bring that back leg forward. So we'll do one more each side. The left foot forward, right foot back. So take the time to get steady first, and either stay in here or we're going to add a movement. We'll be bringing the arms up and straightening the front leg. So inhale, straighten the leg, bring the arms up. Now exhale, bend the knee again, bring the hands to the chest. So it's an inhale, straighten the leg, arms up. Exhale, bend that front knee, hands to the chest. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bending the knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to the chest. And one more inhale and exhale. And bring the arms down, and we'll bring that back leg forwards, and we'll do the other side. So right foot forward, left foot back. Set the toes facing forwards, shoulders above the hips. So again, either just staying here or we'll add the movement. So inhale, straighten the leg, arms up. Exhale, bend the knee, hands to the chest. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, down. Inhale. And exhale, try and sink down through the middle. Two more. Inhale and exhale. So last one. Inhale and exhale. And we'll bring that back leg forwards. I'll just do a little bit more balance. So we'll stand on the left leg. Bring the right leg up, bending the knee. So this might be enough for you, or we're going to move the knee out to the side. So we'll inhale first, then exhale, opening up the hip. Inhale, center, exhale, out. Inhale, center, exhale, out. Inhale, and exhale. So one more, inhale, center, exhale, out to the side, inhale back, and bring that leg down. So again, onto the other side, bring that left leg up. So either staying here, or we'll inhale, exhale, leg out to the side, inhale, center, exhale, and inhale, exhale, inhale, two more. Exhale, inhale, center, exhale, out, inhale, back, and bringing the leg down, and we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. So crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose. And just see if you can feel the heartbeats with the upper hand. And we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.